Alright, let's get into it. Anagram checker. Given two strings, determine if they are anagrams of each other, so they contain the same characters in any order. You are to ignore casing and white space. So let's look at how we're going to actually design this using a flowchart, shall we? Oh, there it starts and ends. You do. Feel like I could die from the thought of losing you. I know that you're real, with no doubts and no fears and no questions. Oh yeah. So starts. We want to impute something. Oh yeah. So impute string. That's what it says here. No, sorry, impute two strings. So impute string 1 and string 2. Yep, there we go. Then we want to, typically what we want to do is we want to create or turn this into, should we turn it? We don't really need to turn it, to be fair. Let's find a way to remove the, so let's remove the spaces. No. I need a regular rectangle, please. Are these the same? They look the same. Are they the same? They are the same. Well, damn. Why are you trying to trick me into this? Where is a regular rectangle? Wow, that's a very cool feature. Never knew you could do that. Know that now. So we want to remove spaces. It says remove spaces and ignore casing. So remove spaces. Come on then, click into that. Yeah. Remove spaces and turn both strings to lowercase. Good. So we want to make sure that every character in this is present here. So it's gonna be a hard one because for the test it didn't mention repeats letters, because if you want to try to run each character in the first one with the second one, when you have repeat letters, it might still run true even though the second one has only one of the same letter. That might not make sense because it feels like I'm just rambling, but it would make sense to someone who understands what I'm saying. So since they don't test for that here, I think we should be fine on that account. So let's just check. So check that every character in string 1 is present in string 2. Then we need an if every character in string 1 is present in string 2. Don't need the if, so every character in string 1 is present in string 2. Let's expand this. That's fine. If yes, so I need no, big man. Let's move it down. So if yes, we want to output this output true. If not, we want to output false. Output false, and we want to attach this to that. There we go. Want to attach this. Yeah. Oh, come on now. How do we... Nope. Open this down here. Then we want to... Bruv. Okay. Okay, wait. Let's drag this down here. And then we want to attach this. Thank you very much for that. Just leave it like that, man. Then want to attach this down here. Get it through end. Then want to add a text box into these. So drag you here. Yes. Copy and paste. No. No. Oh, come on, man. Don't make my life hard. Then no. Okay, that's what a diagram should look like. That sounds or looks reasonable. So we have to input the two strings, remove spaces, and turn both strings to lowercase. Check that every character in string 1 is present in string 2. Every character in string 1 is present in string 2. If yes, output true, then end it. If not, output false and end it. So that's our design. Let's go back. So we want to spend 5 minutes on this project. Let's see if we can actually solve this in 5 minutes. Our 5 minutes timer starts now. Let's go. We're not leaving. Yeah, back here. Let me actually play some music just to keep my mind. Love, so many things I've got to tell you, but I'm afraid I don't know how. 'Cause there's a possibility that you look at me differently now. Ever since the first moment I spoke your name, from then on I knew that by you being in my life means more than to change of love. So many people use your name in vain. Love. Those who have faith in you sometimes go astray. Love. Through all the ups and downs, the joys and hurts. Love. For better or worse. Let me just make sure I'm testing this properly. Let me pick one test from here. Any night I'll love for you, wanting you. Ooh, music so child, man. The best to get to know you. For your kiss, for your touch, for your feel, your essence, yeah. I've cried from the things you do. Felt like I could die from the thought of losing you. I know that you're real, with no doubts and no fears and no love, yeah. So many people love, no. Those who sometimes go astray, yeah. Through oh love, I still will choose you first. Love, I guess you didn't mean that much to me. No, all I need, the world looks so brand new to me. Now that I found love, every day I live for you, yeah. Did I do it for you. What I say is how I feel, so believe it's true. To know I'm true, love, yeah. Those who have faith sometimes go astray, love. Through all the ups and downs, for better or worse, I still will choose you first. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. Those who sometimes go love. Why is it saying false? Console log bool array. Is that meant true? What the hell? I lost time. So what did I not do? I think I forgot to put, oh Jesus Christ. Don't tell me it's because I forgot to put the lowercase. I forgot to put lowercase. Okay. I'm 100% sure that's why this didn't work. We're made for mine, and my heart would go flatline if it wasn't beating for you. Flippin'! Was that small mistake I forgot that made me to lose this thing on this time? Damn it, man. At least we got it. At least we got it. I think if I had 1 extra minute, I would have fixed that as quick as I could. Oh well. Oh well. We did what we could though. So that actually works. This, if I take out this is like 9 lines of code. That will still work. So let's ask chat GTP if it's a better way to do this. It should be. But I don't wanna be mine. Your lips were made for mine. My heart would go flat line. There wasn't beating for you all the time. Jealous, I can't help it. I want every bit of you. I guess I'm selfish. And so you're out looking like you do. You can't hide it. Put you in the frame, oh baby, you could blame me. Got your mama made ya. Making me say you cannot be saying no, you might need an angel. Yeah, I had a feeling. I know how to fix it to make it actually be a good anagram, but this passes the test, so I'm not really that bothered. But yeah, did it. That's cool. In another video, let's see if we can make a better way to do that. Nice seeing you. Enjoy the rest of your day.